Here's how to convert an iPhone photo to JPG in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. By default, iPhone photos are saved as HEIC format. Some apps and websites require JPG, so let's convert them. First, open the Photos app and select the image you want to convert. Tap the Share icon in the bottom left corner. Scroll down and tap Save to Files. Choose a folder and tap Save. When saved to Files, the photo is automatically converted to JPG. Open the Files app and locate the saved photo. Press and hold the image, tap Info, and you'll see it saved as JPG. Go to Settings, Camera, then tap Formats. Choose Most Compatible. All future photos will be saved as JPG instead of HEIC. Changing camera format does not convert old photos. It only affects new pictures. Use JPG when uploading photos to websites, emails, or older devices. And that's it. That's how you convert iPhone photos to JPG. Subscribe for more iPhone tips,